Welcome to our updated guide on how to stop auto-refreshing on Telegram. Follow these steps to take control of your app's background data usage and prevent unwanted refreshing. To begin, disable background data for Telegram to stop it from refreshing in the background. Here's how to do it. 1. Go to Settings on your phone. 2. Tap on Apps and Notifications. 3. Select Telegram from the list of apps. 4. Tap on Data Usage. 5. Disable background data to prevent Telegram from refreshing in the background. Next, force Stop the Telegram app to ensure it is completely closed and not running in the background. Follow these steps. 1. Open Settings and navigate to Apps and Notifications. 2. Select Telegram from the list of apps. 3. Tap on Force Stop to close the app completely. By following these steps, you can effectively stop the auto-refreshing feature on Telegram and manage its background activities more efficiently. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope these instructions have been helpful in optimizing your Telegram experience. Stay tuned for more informative guides and tips.